So hello everyone, I am Do Edits and this is my second channel, and in this channel I am only posting the videos about the After Effects tutorials and EMV tutorials. So in this video we are gonna learn about how to create a neon glow effect. For this we required a plugin which name is BCC plugin. So let's start the video. So first of all, I already imported my clip on the timeline. Simply pressing Ctrl D and duplicate the layer. For the bottom layer, I make it invisible. Then search BCC two-way color effect and apply this effect on the upper layer. And by this color picker option, select that color which you wanna glow. I select that color and change its output phase to composite alpha. And by dragging the values of similarity, we can change the selection. I decrease it to the maybe 12 may be perfect. Now search Colorama and apply it to the upper layer, give it a color and animate its input phase like this. Press U to see all the keyframes. I change its value like this and select both the keyframe, press F9 to make them easy. And now we are gonna add some glow. For this I use deep blue. Add it to this and make sure to check that checkbox which is required for text in the deep blue option. I check that. Then for the bottom layer I make it visible and play the video. Now it's look like this, which is good. To make it more perfect, we are gonna duplicate the upper layer. Now it's good, looks more perfect than before. So video ends here. So tell me about your feedback in the comment section, and thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.